Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to share an easy way to style your stove. So I know a lot of you follow my styled sink videos, so I thought it would be a great option to share how I've been styling my stove area. Now this area can get a little weird when it comes to home decor because you don't want a lot of clutter around it. You still want it to be functional when you're cooking. So this is how I have been styling this area for the past couple months. I did add in one new element that I'm really excited about that I've been seeing a lot in home styling. So I'd love for you guys to keep watching. And if you haven't already, please give me a follow at Robyn's Southern Nest. I also have a YouTube channel as well that I'll leave in the description above. And I hope you guys enjoy watching. So this is something new for me, so I decided to do some artwork around my stove. I have been seeing some art pieces in kitchens and I just really love that look. And I also wanted to bring in some black elements over here because we do have elements of like iron throughout our kitchen. So I thought it'd be a perfect little area to display this photography. And then of course a butcher block is always a good option to kind of corral all your things. So here, for example, I have my olive oil, my pitcher full with all of my wooden utensils, my butter dish, and a candle, of course, because no styling video would be complete without a candle. So yeah, I just think this is a nice simple look, nothing too crowded. Just a nice way to like spruce up this area that you typically don't think about when you're styling your home is the stove area. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was super fun for me to film. Like, it also gave me an excuse to wipe down my counters and back behind my stove. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching today. Thank you so much. And as always, I'll have more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. You can click the link in the bio or in the description of this video. Thanks for flying by, friends, and have a good day.